Namaste. I'd like to talk to you now about the Ayurvedic Health Counselor Internship. This is a wonderful and exciting time in a student's educational process where they begin to move from academics to working with individuals. You begin to move from the head, which is where your knowledge is, to the heart, which is really where your intuition is. And then from the heart to your hands. And your hands is really where you do the work in the world that you are trained to do. So it's so exciting to move from the classroom to working one-on-one with patients. And during your internship, you will be seeing at least a minimum of 50 patient visits. That means that you will have one-on-one time, at least 50 sessions with patients. And this is an extraordinary learning experience. This is where you really develop yourself into a professional. When you have that experience of sitting down with another person who you are taking care of, this is a big moment in most counselors' lives. And during this time period, you will learn on a level beyond your intellect. You're going to learn how to hold sacred space with another human being, develop the care and the compassion in order to help guide them through their journey of living the way they were when they came in to see you, which is usually some level of disharmony, into a lifestyle of greater harmony and greater balance. The Ayurvedic Health Counselor Internship is a preventative medicine internship. Although some of the people you'll be working with certainly have diseases, the focus of your care is on helping them to establish a harmonious lifestyle, to learn to live in harmony with the rhythms of nature, to learn how to eat properly, to develop proper daily routines, proper self-care techniques. Really, if we're taking care of ourselves properly throughout the course of our lives, we may not need as much disease care later on. And so Ayurvedic health counselors are really specialists in preventative medicine, specialists in lifestyle medicine. In addition to working with patients one-on-one, you're going to learn how to conduct and teach the Healing Your Life community-based program for well-being. This is a program that you're going to bring out into your community. It's a 6-week program where you will conduct 6 2-hour sessions guiding your community as to how to create a lifestyle of harmony, health, and well-being. This is a beautiful program because it really puts you front and center in your community as a point really of light, of love, of knowledge, of well-being. Conducting this program is also going to help you to build your practice over time. So it's a community-based offering, and it also helps you to build your practice. It's a very important part of the program because when you can teach the fundamental principles of Ayurveda, then you know that you really know them. It's not just something that you learned in the classroom, it's something that you bring out into your community, and it makes a difference in the lives of everyone who comes to that class. In addition, you will also learn how to give public talks that are shorter. These are just general introduction to Ayurveda public talks that are 1 hour in length, and you'll give at least 3 of them during your internship. It's a wonderful opportunity, again, to stand in front of people and talk about Ayurveda, to answer questions about Ayurveda, and to really solidify the knowledge that you have and to put yourself out in your community as an expert in Ayurvedic medicine. Now, there are so many facets to your internship. There's the working with people, right? When you're first doing consultations, there's the part where you are speaking to a community and educating your community. And then there's another part of your internship where you're going to have the opportunity to begin to plan your practice, to begin to plan how you're going to become successful after graduation. You'll have the opportunity to write a business plan. And a business plan is an important part of your education because it's one thing to learn Ayurveda, it's another thing to plan how you're going to bring it out into your community and how you're going to make a difference in your community and how you're going to become successful. And so you have the opportunity while you're a student to learn how to write a business plan and also to begin the process of thinking it through, all the different parts that you'll need to know in order to become successful after graduation. And so this really is a complete program, one that is going to educate your head, your heart, and your hands. Those 6 months that you spend in internship are going to prepare you for everything that comes later. It's going to prepare you to become successful, and it's going to prepare you to be the best Ayurvedic health practitioner that you can be. Another facet of your internship is going to be the classes that you're sitting in during your internship. During your internship, in addition to seeing patients, you have classes as well. And these are very, very interesting classes. One of the things that you're going to learn in your classes is how to conduct individual sessions with your students on color therapy, aromatherapy, dietary therapy, basic lifestyle counseling. These are all going to be modules that you're going to be sitting in on and learning and discussing. But it's more than that. It's more than just sitting in class and learning. At this point in your education, it's so much about sharing. You're going to be sharing what you're learning and what your challenges are with your instructor and also with the other teachers and the other students who are going to be a part of your internship program. And that means that as a community, you're evolving from who you are into the Ayurvedic professional that you're going to become. You'll also have an opportunity to review cases. And reviewing cases is very important as you write down what you and also your classmates have done. In other words, you're going to be presenting the cases that you've actually seen, real experiences. And so will your fellow students, and you're going to learn from each other. This is a very fertile time to explore what works and what does not work in the counseling process. So these are the features of the Ayurvedic Health Counselor Internship Program. If you have any questions, please feel welcome to contact our staff who will be happy to help you and answer your questions further. Many blessings to you as you go out into your communities, as you go make a difference in the lives of the people who you share heart and space with. Many blessings to you on your continuing journey. Namaste.